RazorSync is a field service management platform that helps service businesses manage scheduling, dispatching, customer information, invoices, and field operations from one system. By the end, you'll know what RazorSync offers, who it is designed for, and what to check before deciding if it is still a good option in 2026. RazorSync is built for service companies that need a better way to manage daily work. Instead of keeping customer details, job schedules, and business tasks in separate places, businesses can use one platform to organize their operations. The main reason companies look at RazorSync is usually because their current process becomes difficult to manage as the business grows. When a service company has more customers, more appointments, or more team members, keeping track of everything manually can become harder. A field service platform helps create a more consistent workflow. RazorSync focuses on important service business tasks like scheduling jobs, managing customer information, coordinating field work, and handling billing processes. For small and growing service businesses, having job details connected in one place can make it easier to understand what needs to happen before, during, and after each appointment. The biggest question is whether RazorSync fits your specific workflow. A company that only manages a small number of simple jobs may not need a full field service system. A business handling multiple appointments, technicians, and customer requests may get more value from having dedicated management tools. Before choosing RazorSync, compare it with the problems your business actually has. If your biggest issue is missed appointments, poor communication, scattered customer records, or difficulty tracking jobs, look at how RazorSync handles those areas. Software is only useful when the team adopts it. Employees need to use the system consistently for the business to get the full benefit. Switching platforms also requires planning. Businesses need to review their current process, move important information, and train anyone who will use the software. RazorSync can still be a good option in 2026 for businesses that need help organizing field service operations, but it is not automatically the right choice for every company. The best decision comes from matching the software to your daily workflow, instead of choosing based only on features. The main points are simple. RazorSync helps service businesses organize jobs and customer information. It can improve workflow for companies that need more structure, and the right choice depends on your business size and operational needs. Your next step is to write down the 3 biggest problems in your current service process, and compare them with what RazorSync provides. If this helped you understand whether RazorSync is still a good option in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.